So this is the new toy. This is known as the Segway Ninebot Go-Kart Pro, which I managed to find through an Indiegogo campaign. And so this is, I guess, a poor man's unboxing because it's already out of the box. Now, there's probably somebody else who did that, so no time for all of that because I was in a hurry to get it out of the box to get it up and running. So we're just doing a 360 to show everybody what this bad boy looks like. I've got it extended. As you can see, those two bars there allow you to slide it closed or open to vary it for different lengths of people. And I think it's actually designed for short to average people, because even when I get in, it is pretty cramped for me, and I'm average height, 5'10". Good news is it came pretty much assembled. The only thing I had to add was the rear fin here, which just bolted on with 6 screws. Other than that, everything else was here. I had to adjust the steering wheel, which raises up and down, and I attached the Bluetooth speaker, which can play music or engine sounds as you're driving along, because of course this is an electric go-kart, and so therefore it doesn't make any noise. But what's the fun in that? You want to have some engine noise. The tires are not inflatable. These guys are solid, no puncture, so those should last. I guess I'm revealing now that I already did take it out for a spin. As you can see, the wheels a little dirty. The seat belt there, a little nice bucket seat. Here's the emergency brake handle. In case the main brake goes out, you've got that one. Very tight steering. Brake pedal on the left. Accelerator on the right. And in the back, we have power button, along with the cord for charging. So this is just a quick once around initial impression. Happy to answer any questions. This is brand new for me. I'm not an enthusiast. I'm just a big kid.